Now I want to define sine, cos, tan, cot, cosec and sec of the complementary angle theta. Complementary angle of theta. What is relation between that? See. Again I draw right angle triangle, okay? The triangle ABC is right angle at A. This is 90 degree. This is theta. This is my 90 degree minus theta. This is opposite side of theta, y. This is my adjacent side of theta, x, and this is r. Now from figure, what can you say? What is cos of 90 minus theta? Cos of 90 minus theta is adjacent side of 90 minus theta upon hypotenuse. So it is adjacent side for 90 minus theta is y. Y is the adjacent side for 90 degree minus theta and y is the opposite side for theta. So this y by r we call it as sin theta. So what important result I got it? Cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. So when two angles are complementary, then cos of one angle is sine of another angle. Similarly, I will get sin 90 minus theta is opposite side of sin 90 minus theta. So opposite side is here x and hypotenuse is r. So opposite side for 90 degree minus theta is x. And my x is nothing but the adjacent side of theta. So x by r is cos theta, we defined just now. So I got another result, sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. Again, when two angles are complementary, sine of one angle is cos of another angle, cos of one angle is sine of another angle. So I can write sine of 30 degree is cos of how much? 60 degree. 90 minus 30. Sine of 15 degree is cos of 90 minus 15. So it is 75 degree. Sine of 13 degree is cos of how much? 90 minus 13. So 77 degree. Cos of 11 degree is sine of 90 minus 11. So 79 degree. So sine and cos are equal if their angles are complementary. If sum of two angles is 90, then sine of one angle is cos of another angle. Now we are taking tan of 90 minus theta. Tan of 90 degree minus theta is opposite side of 90 minus theta I should take upon adjacent side, okay? So opposite side for 90 degree minus theta is x. So it is x upon y. But x upon y is nothing but my cot theta. So what next result I got? Tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. Similarly, cot 90 minus theta is tan theta. So tan and cot are equal when two angles are complementary. Clear? Similarly, cosec 90 minus theta. Cosec is 1 upon sin 90 minus theta. Cosec is 1 upon sin. And sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. And 1 by cos theta is sec theta. So what is cosec 90 minus theta? Is sec theta. And similarly sec 90 minus theta is cosec theta. So we have 6 formula. Sin and cos are making a pair as far as complementary angle is concerned. Tan and cot are making a pair as far as complementary angle are concerned. And cosec and sec form a pair as far as complementary angle are concerned. So, sin 30 is cos 60, sin 15 is cos 75. Similarly, tan 30 is cot 60, cot 30 is tan 60, cosec 30 is sec 60, and cosec 60 is sec 30. So when sin and cos are equal when two angles are complementary, tan and cot are equal when angles are complementary, cosec and sec are equal when sum of their angle is 90. Sum of two angles is 90, then they are called complementary angle. So sin and cos are equal if their sum is 90, sum of their angle is 90. Tan and cot are equal if sum of their angle is 90. Cosec and sec are equal if the sum of their angle is 90. Matlab sin of one angle is cos of its complementary angle. Cos of one angle is sin of its complementary angle. Tan of one angle is cot of its complementary angle. Cot of one angle is tan of its complementary angle. Cosec of one angle is sec of its complementary angle. And sec of one angle is cosec of its complementary. So altogether, we have these 6 results. First one is sin 90 degree minus theta is cos theta. Second is cos vice versa. Cos 90 degree minus theta is sin theta. Third result is tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. Fourth is cot 90 minus theta is tan theta. Fifth is for second, fifth and sixth for second cosec. Cosec 90 minus theta is sec theta. And sec 90 minus theta is cosec theta. Clear? So these 6 are important results. These are the 6 trigonometric ratios of complementary angle. So I can write many examples. You give me answer, okay? For example, sine of 55 degree is cos of what? Cos of dash. What you are going to write in dash? 90 minus 55. So 35. It won't be 45, huh? It's 35. Acha. Tan of 31 degree. What is tan of 31 degree? Is cot of 59 degree. Okay. Cosec of 7 degree is sec of 90 minus 7, 83 degree. Like that. Acha. You know 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. And 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So suppose you are given sine of 15 degree and 45 minutes is equal to cos of, we subtract 15 degree and 45 minutes from 90 degree. From 1 degree is 60 minutes. So 60 minus 45, so 15 minutes. Now from 89 degree you have to subtract 15 degree. So it is, what is it is? Cos of 35. 90 minus 15 is 75, but 1 has already gone. So it is 74 degree and 15 minutes. Okay? Because sum of these two is 90. See, 45 minutes plus 15 minutes is 1 degree. 1 degree plus 15 degrees, 16 degrees, 16 degree and 74 degree is 90 degree. Now, another example I am giving you. Sec of 39 degree is cosec of how much? 51 degree, okay? Are you clear about this? You can go on taking sine or cos or tan of any one angle and find out cos, cosec, cot of its complementary angle. Sine of one angle is cos of its complementary. Tan of one angle is cot of its complementary. Cot of one angle is tan of its complementary. Because pair is between sine and cos, between tan and cot, and between cosec and sec. Clear? Now, how to find out trigonometric ratios for theta is 30 degree, 45 degree and 60 degree. Suppose I want to find out all trigonometric ratios for theta is 45. First theory, find all trigonometric ratios for theta is 45 degree. Then we should construct a right angle triangle. A, B, C. Suppose this angle is taken as 45 degree. This is 90. Then this is also 45 degree, clear? Now, if AB is equal to BC is equal to suppose small a. Okay? This is small a. Then by Pythagoras theorem, AC square is AB square plus BC square. So it is A square plus A square. So 2A square. So my AC will be root 2A, okay? I got all the three sides. So now I can find out from figure sine 45 degree is opposite side upon hypotenuse. So it is A by root 2A. So answer is 1 by root 2. Yeah? I got the value of sine 45. Cos 45 is adjacent side upon hypotenuse. That is also A by root 2A. It is coming 1 by root 2. And see, 45 both are complementary angle. So sine of 45 is cos of 45. So value you are getting same. Tan of 45 is opposite side upon adjacent side, so A by A. So it is 1. So cot of 45 is also 1 because tan of 45 is 1. So cot of 45 is 1 by tan of 45. Same way, cosec 45 is 1 upon sine 45. Sine 45 is 1 by root 2, so cosec 45 is root 2. And sec 45 is 1 upon cos 45. Cos 45 degree is 1 by root 2. So sec 45 degree is also root 2. So I got the value of all the trigonometric ratios. For theta is 45. Now for 30 and 60. Find all trigonometric ratios for theta is 30 degree and 60 degree. Why I am taking both of them together? Because here both ratio we are going to get, all the ratios for both the angle we are going to get with the help of same figure. Here we should take a equilateral triangle. What we are supposed to take? Equilateral triangle. And I draw perpendicular from vertex A, B, C. Triangle ABC, it doesn't look equilateral, but it is considered that it is an equilateral triangle. Triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. For this proof, I should start with equilateral triangle. With AB is equal to BC is equal to CA is equal to, I take length as 2A. Then if I draw AD perpendicular to BC, then AD bisect BC, so my BD is equal to CD is equal to small a, because it bisect the base, 2A, 2A. Each angle is equal of 60 degree. Angle B is 60 degree, right? But AB perpendicular bisect the base also and angle also. Total is 60, so this is going to become 30 degree. Clear? Figure is ready. Now from figure, I should find out all the, but before that AD is missing. So by Pythagoras theorem, what is AD square? AD square is AB square minus BD square, okay? Pythagoras theorem. So AB square is 4A square, BD square is A square. So it is 3A square. So what is my AD is root 3A. What is it? So my AD is root 3A. All three sides of triangle ADB are with me, right? And in my triangle ADB, my 60 degree is also there and 30 degree is also there. So from figure, suppose you want to find out sine 60 degree. It is opposite side, matlab AD upon AB. So it is root 3A upon A. So my answer is root 3. What is sine 60? Sorry, 2A. 2A. So it is root 3 by 2. Clear? What is my sine 60? Root 3 upon 2A. So it is root 3 by 2. What is my cos 60? Adjacent side. Adjacent side is BD. BD upon AB. So it is A upon 2A. So answer is 1/2. My sine 60 is root 3 by 2 and cos 60 is 1/2. What is my tan 60? Opposite upon adjacent. So opposite is root 3A and adjacent side is A. So answer is root 3. Once sine 60 is in your hand, cosec 60 you can find out very easily. It is reciprocal of sine 60. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2. So cosec 60 is 2 by root 3. Clear? Cos 60. So you can find out sec 60. Sec 60 is 1 by cos 60. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. So sec 60 is 2. Value of sec of 60 degree is 2. And tan 60 is root 3. So my cot 60 is reciprocal of tan 60. So it is 1 by root 3. Now for 30 degree. What is my sine 30 degree? Tell me. From complementary we know sine 30 is cos of 60. So sine 30 is 1/2. By using that complementary relation also we can find out. But from figure also we can find out. Sin 30 is 30 degree का opposite side is BD. BD upon AB. So it is A by 2A. So it is 1/2. See. From figure also my sin 30 is 1/2. And by using that complementary result also my sin 30 is 1/2. Because sin 30 is cos 60. When sin 30 is 1/2, my cosec 30 is what? 2. Clear? Now cos 30. Cos 30 is 30 degree का adjacent side upon hypotenuse. So it is root 3a upon 2a. So it is root 3 by 2, okay? Cos 30 is sin 60. See, my sin 60 is also root 3 by 2. And cos 30 is also root 3 by 2. Because the angles are complementary angle. Clear? So sine of one angle is cos of another. And from figure also we are getting same answer. And cos 30 is with you. So sec 30 is reciprocal of cos 30. So it is 2 by root 3. And last is tan 30. Tan 30 is 30 का opposite side is A and adjacent is root 3A. So it is A by root 3A. So it is 1 by root 3. ऐसे भी tan 30 is cot of 60. Cot 60 is 1 by root 3. So tan 30 is also 1 by root 3. And tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So my cot 30 is reciprocal. So root 3. So you obtain all the trigonometric ratio, values of all trigonometric ratios for theta is 45 degree, 30 degree and 60 degree. Now I want to find out values for 0 and 90. Suppose ABC is a right angle triangle at B, suppose. Triangle ABC is right angle at B, not moving. Right? Now, if this angle C is equal to 0 degree, then angle C can be 0 degree if my AC coincide with BC. AC coincide with BC. Or I can say, yeah, AC coincide with BC, then my angle C is 0 degree, okay? When AC coincide with BC, then my AB is 0. So AB is the opposite side for this theta. So for theta, this is X and this is R. When angle C, matlab, that is theta is 0, then AC coincide with BC, matlab AB is 0, matlab my Y is 0. So when Y is 0, so my sin 0 is Y by R, so it is 0. And my AC is equal to BC. So my cos 0 will be BC by AC, but BC and AC are same, so 1. Clear? When sin 0 is 0, cos 0 is 1, my tan 0 is sin upon cos. So it is 0. Right? So you calculated sin 0, cos 0 and tan 0. Tan 0 is 0, so cot 0 is not defined. Sin 0 is 0, so cosec 0 is not defined. And cos 0 is 1, so my sec 0 is also 1. So we got all 6, right? Now if theta is 90, I want to make theta, that is angle C, that is I call it as theta is 90. Then my AC coincide with AB, matlab AB is equal to AC, and my BC is going to become what? If it is 90, then my BC will remain BC, but my AB is coincide with AC, right? So here AB is 0, and here if my C is going to become 90, then what is 0? Yes. What is going to become 0? BC is 0. AC ऐसे आ जाएगा नीचे, तो ये भी 0, और AC ऐसे हो जाएगा, राइट? तो BC will be 0. Clear? So now my sine 90 degree will be y by r, but y and r are equal, so it is going to become 1. What is my cos 90? Cos 90 is x by r, but x is 0, so it is 0. Tan 90 is sin 90 upon cos 90, 1 by 0, not defined, so cot 90 is 0, because reciprocal of infinity is 0. Sin 90 is 1, so my cosec 90 is also 1. 1 ka reciprocal is 1, but cos 90 is 0, so my sec 90 is not defined. Now I want to bring all the values under same ceiling. I want to bring all these values, 1 angle and 6 trigonometric ratio. So there are 5 angles. So 6 5 are 30 values. All 30 values I want to bring them under same ceiling. So in form of table, I will write all the values. I will provide you some tricks also. Suppose I write here sine. Here I write cos. Here I write tan. Here I write 0 degree. Here I write 30 degree. Here I write 45 degree. Here I write 60 degree. And here I take 90 degree. Almost all basic concept I complete in this first lecture. Second lecture we are doing sums based on it. And then we are going to switch over to identity. One horizontal, one block I keep vacant. This is for sine. Then one I keep for cosec. Then this is sine. Then I keep one for sec. Then one, this is for tan. And I keep one row for cot. All the values I know. I derived all the values. But how to remember these values, right? Suppose you are asked some questions of evaluate the following, where you required many values at a time. So every time you are not going to derive those values. Okay? You should remember the values. See, I write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Write down 1, 2, 4. Then you divide them by 4. Second step. This is a trick you should remember. Then you take square root of each number. The calculated value after following these 3 steps. What is 0 by 4? 0, and square root of 0 is 0. So sine 0 degree is 0. 1 by 4 square root is 1 by 2. So sine 30 degree is 1 half. Right? Sine 45, 2 by 4, so 1 by 2, and square root of 1 by 2 is 1 by root 2. Root 3 by 4, so root 3 by 4 ka square root 2, root 3 by 2. And this is 4 by 4, 1. I got the sine of the corresponding angle. Sine 0 is 0, sine 30 is 1 half, sine 45 is 1 by root 2, sine 60 is root 3 by 2, sine 90 is 1. Sine is taking value in increasing order. It takes value from 0 to 1. Now cos. You know, cos is a cos of angle. Sine की जो 0 की है वो cos की 90 की हो जाएगी. Sine 90 is cos 0. So now I change the order. Last one is first one, last second is second, last third is third, last fourth is fourth, and first is last. This is not a trick. Here the concept is that sine 90 is cos 0, sine 60 is cos 30, sine 45 is cos 45, sine 30 is cos 60, and sine 0 is cos 90. Clear? Why I am changing the order? So you got the value of sine and cos. Sine is increasing from 0 to 1. Cos is decreasing from 1 to 0. Now tan is a ratio of sine and cos. So tan 0 is 0 upon 1, so 0. 1 by 2 upon root 3 by 2, so 1 by root 3. 1 by root 2 upon 1 by root 2, 1. Root 3 by 2 upon 1 by 2, root 3. And 1 upon 0 not defined. So 5 values and 3 functions. 15 values are in your hand. Now remaining 15 values for cosec. Cosec is a reciprocal of sine. So 0 ka reciprocal is infinity. 1 half ka 2. 1 by root 2 ka root 2. This is 2 by root 3 and this is 1. So I got the cosec of 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90 in this table. Now sec is just reciprocal of cos. So 1 ka reciprocal 1. Root 3 by 2 is 2 by root 3. Root 1 by root 2 is root 2. 1 by 2 is 2 and 0 is not defined. And cot is a reciprocal of 10. So 0 ka reciprocal infinity. This is root 3. This is 1. This is 1 by root 3 and reciprocal of infinity is 0. So all 30 values are in your hand. By practice, you remember values orally. And even if you forget any values, you can make this table within 1 minute. And once table is in your hand, you can put the value and evaluate any expression. Clear? Clear? Now see. Now we are doing few sums based on all the concept which we have learned. Now you are in a position to do first 3 exercise of your textbook, because almost all concept required to solve sums from 8.1, 8.2, 8.3,